What is the speciality of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? It's a character. Allah said in the Quran, if you were harsh, people should desert you. But nobody want to go away from him. Why? Because he's loving. He's very, very kind. He's very generous. He has a very good character. Everybody attracts on him. So what he said? The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam say about the love, you cannot go to paradise until you believe, and you cannot become a believer until you love each other. That is a basics of Islam. Our going to paradise in the next life is depend on our belief, and our belief is depend upon our loving each other. Now check now how many people you hate in your life today. Check now how many hatred in your heart today for how many people. And you are thinking you're going in the paradise? No. Because Prophet said love. And he said that one of my greatest sunnah that you should follow is to clean your hearts for the people. Don't keep hatred for anyone in your heart. Walang masamang loob. Clean your heart. Forgive everyone. That's what the Prophet is teaching us. But we are going opposite. We always revenge, always keep in the heart, always hatred, and always go against the love. Learn to love and learn to forgive and learn to forget also. Not to keep, you did this to me. No. Wipe it. Sweep out your all hatred in your heart and make it clean.